All right, triangulation. What are the possibilities?
In our study, me and Alexandra kan transkribera datan var för sig och dela in i teman var för sig och sen jämföra liknande resultat.
Great, I completely agree. Yeah? So two researchers can look at the same data independently and then compare their findings. And that can happen, I mean, that can be done in several steps of the process. But let's get back to that in a second. But that's a really good idea. Anything else? I heard some of you guys saying something right over there also.
Även det vi tänkte mest på var väl samma sak, att man analyserar datan var för sig. Vi jobbar ju kvar. Så.
How far would you go in keeping it separate? Would you say, okay, we'll do the interview and then go our separate ways, do transcription and complete analysis of the data independently, and then come back together and talk about the results, or would you kind of work more together in some parts of the process?
Man hade väl säkert transkribera det ihop för att spara tid. Men vi kommer ju analysera det var för sig.
Yeah, that's one option. Cool, so there's something with double investigators, and that can also apply to when actually conducting the interview, where last time I talked about when we had a first interviewer and a second interviewer, so I mean that's also two views on the interview, or two approaches to the interview, making sure that, well, there's a higher possibility that you'll get a bit interview when there's several people involved. All right, and I mean you could also choose two theories, but I won't advise that. It's perfectly fine with just one theoretical standpoint. In terms of analysis, I think we'll come back to triangulation. Please try and remind me when we're talking about transcription and analysis. But yeah, good stuff. Okay, so having this first part over and done with, I think I'll give you guys 5 minutes to stretch your legs and come back even more energized if at all possible.